Welcome friends. In today's session, we are going to see the third program of statistical machine learning for data science. And it is the experiment question. A dataset contains information about car models, including the engine size in liters, fuel efficiency, miles per gallon, and car price. Use a pair plot. We need to just pair plot or correlation matrix to explore the relationship between these variables. Which variable seems to have the strongest relationships and what might be the practical significance of these findings. Let's refer to the VTU Circle third program code. Go on VTU Circle website, laboratory third 2022 scheme, 7th semester, statistical machine learning, program 3. Click here. Okay, this is the code. Here we are using pandas module, cbon module, and matplotlib module. So I'm just copying it and just opening my command prompt and verifying where is my Python. My Python is already installed. Just click pip install pandas. Already satisfied. Pip install matplotlib. Already satisfied. Then again pip install cbon. Then enter. So it is already satisfied. In your case, it may take some time to install. And just clear screen. Using the command prompt, I'm just searching for IDLE. And then just click on new folder, new file. Then just splitting the screen. Copy this code. Then paste here by using Control V, Control S to save. And it is the third program, so SML3. Enter. Then just click on run button and see this is the output. So we need to get a plot diagram, pair plot, and one heat map. So let's wait for our program to execute. See, here is the pair plot. We can also see the values and the labels, titles, subtitles. I'm just closing first one, then heat map. You can also see the heat map. You can also save this heat map by just clicking on this save button, close it, and see the required output. This is the required output as similar to the VTU Circle's output. Stay tuned for the further videos, further programs, and if any of the error you are facing, you can comment out me. I will reach you. Thank you for watching.